Welcome. Now it's time to see how we can move a file in Python. But first I'm gonna create a new file. I'm gonna call it text.txt. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna import the OS. I'll create a variable here called source and a variable called destination, which is gonna store our destination where we want to move the file. And since we are in our project folder, for the source I'm gonna type text.txt, and for the destination I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put it on desktop, properties. I'm gonna copy this, backslash, 2 backslashes also here, and I'll type desktop backslash text.txt. Now I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna surround with try and catch, because this can throw an error. So I'm gonna type try except, not catch. Catch is from Java. So try, and I will type here if os.path.exists. I'm gonna type destination, then it means that there is already a file in that destination. I'm gonna print in the console, there is already a file there. And I'll go down here, but I have an underline here. Oh, we need to add the except, no problem. I'm gonna put here except, and I'm gonna catch the error file not found error. And I'll type here print, and I will type source plus was not found. So if you throw an error, we're gonna say source was not found. And here we need to add an else. So else, I'm gonna type os.replace source with destination, and I'm gonna type print source plus was moved. Now as you can see, the file now it's here, but if I run this, the file disappeared and it says text.txt was moved. And now if I look on desktop, I have the file being moved here. So this is how you can do this in Python. I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.